Allies of Skin 35% Vitamin C Plus Perfecting Serum, a breakthrough in skincare. Get ready to glow with Allies of Skin High-Powered Vitamin C Serum. The world of skincare is constantly evolving, with new products and ingredients always emerging. And if there's one thing that has gained popularity in recent years, it's vitamin C. This potent antioxidant has become a staple in many skincare routines, and for good reason. It helps to brighten and even out the skin while protecting it from environmental stressors. That's where Allies of Skin comes in. Allies of Skin is a brand that is dedicated to creating effective and innovative skincare products, and their latest release, the 35% Vitamin C Plus Perfecting Serum, is no exception. Introduction to Allies of Skin. Allies of Skin is a Singapore-based brand that was founded in 2016 with the aim of creating products that are multifunctional, clean, and high-performing. The brand believes in using only potent and effective ingredients in their formulations, without harmful ingredients such as sulfates and parabens. The 35% Vitamin C Plus Perfecting Serum. The Allies of Skin 35% Vitamin C Plus Perfecting Serum is a powerful serum that's designed to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. It contains a high concentration of vitamin C -35%, to be exact, and other potent ingredients such as niacinamide and superoxide dismutase. These ingredients work together to provide the skin with a range of benefits, such as reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, stimulating collagen production for firmer, plumper skin, providing antioxidant protection against environmental stressors, reducing inflammation and soothing the skin, improving skin texture and radiance. Let me introduce you to Allies of Skin. The purpose of this blog post is to introduce you to the Allies of Skin 35% Vitamin C Plus Perfecting Serum and to highlight its benefits. If you're someone who's struggling with hyperpigmentation, dullness, or uneven texture, this serum is definitely worth trying. It's suitable for all skin types and can be used in the morning or evening, depending on your preference. What is Allies of Skin? Overview of the brand and their philosophy. As mentioned earlier, Allies of Skin is a brand that was founded with a commitment to creating clean and high-performing skincare products. Their philosophy is centered around the belief that skincare doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. Allies of Skin strives to simplify skincare routines while still delivering impressive results. Their commitment to using clean and sustainable ingredients. Allies of Skin is a brand that prides itself on using only the best ingredients in their formulations. They're committed to using clean and sustainable ingredients that are safe for the skin and the environment. Their products are free of toxic ingredients such as sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, and synthetic fragrances. The popularity of their products among skincare enthusiasts and celebrities. Allies of Skin has been gaining popularity among skincare enthusiasts and celebrities alike. Their products have even been featured in magazines such as Vogue and Harper's Bazaar. Celebrities like Emma Watson and Victoria Beckham have also praised the brand for its effective and clean approach to skincare. What is vitamin C and why is it important for skin health? A brief explanation of vitamin C and its role in skincare. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a potent antioxidant that's found in many skincare products. It plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy, firm, and youthful-looking skin. Vitamin C also helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors such as pollution and UV rays. The benefits of using vitamin C in skincare products. The benefits of using vitamin C in skincare products are far-reaching. It can brighten the skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and improve skin texture and radiance. Additionally, vitamin C has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the skin and reduce redness. Different types of vitamin C and their effectiveness. Not all types of vitamin C are created equal. There are different forms of vitamin C that vary in their stability, efficacy, and penetration into the skin. L-ascorbic acid is the most potent form of vitamin C and is known for its ability to stimulate collagen production and brighten the skin. However, it's also the least stable form of vitamin C and can be irritating to some skin types. Other forms of vitamin C include ascorbyl palmitate, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These forms of vitamin C are more stable but may be less effective than L-ascorbic acid. Ingredients and allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum. Overview of the ingredients in the serum. The allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum is a powerhouse of ingredients that work together to brighten, firm, and protect the skin. Here are some of the key ingredients in the serum: L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C niacinamide, superoxide dismutase, ferulic acid, glutathione. Explanation of the benefits of each ingredient. L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C. As discussed earlier, vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and stimulate collagen production for firmer, plumper skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, niacinamide has a range of benefits for the skin. It can help to reduce inflammation, regulate oil production, and improve skin texture and tone. Superoxide dismutase. This enzyme is naturally produced by the body and helps to neutralize free radicals that can damage the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and irritation. Ferulic acid, another potent antioxidant. Ferulic acid helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors such as pollution and UV rays. It also helps to stabilize vitamin C, making it more effective. Glutathione. This antioxidant helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also helps to protect the skin from oxidative damage. How the ingredients work together to provide maximum effectiveness. The ingredients and allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum work synergistically to provide maximum effectiveness. The high concentration of L-ascorbic acid is stabilized by ferulic acid, making it more effective at brightening the skin and reducing dark spots. Niacinamide and superoxide dismutase work together to reduce inflammation, regulate oil production, and provide antioxidant protection. Glutathione helps to further brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. What are the benefits of using allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum? Using allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum has a myriad of benefits for the skin, including improved skin texture and tone. The potent ingredients in this serum, such as L-ascorbic acid and niacinamide, work together to improve skin texture and tone. It can help to reduce the appearance of pores, smooth and rough patches, and provide a more even skin complexion. Reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The serum's high concentration of vitamin C stimulates collagen production, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can also improve skin elasticity, making the skin look firmer and more youthful. Increased collagen production. As previously mentioned, vitamin C is a crucial factor in collagen production, and this serum contains a high concentration of L-ascorbic acid. This can result in firmer, more plump-looking skin. Brighter, more even complexion. Vitamin C has brightening properties that can help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Regular use of the 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum can result in a brighter, more even complexion. Protection against environmental stressors. The serum also contains potent antioxidants like superoxide dismutase and ferulic acid, which provide protection against environmental stressors that can cause premature aging and other skin concerns. They help to neutralize free radicals and provide an additional layer of protection against harmful pollutants and UV radiation. How to use allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum. The allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum is a powerful tool in achieving bright and healthy-looking skin. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Step-by-step guide to using the serum. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any dirt and impurities. Apply a small amount of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently massage the serum onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow the serum to fully absorb into the skin before applying any other products. Frequency and duration of use. The serum can be used once or twice daily, depending on your preference and skin type. If you're new to using vitamin C, start by using it once a day and gradually increase to twice a day, if your skin tolerates it well. It's important to be consistent with use for best results. Tips for incorporating the serum into a skincare routine. Here are some tips on how to incorporate the allies of skin 35% vitamin C plus perfecting serum into your skincare routine. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to introduce the serum slowly into your routine and use